Abby is now hooked on Disney Doorables and said, "Can we please do another one?"
I'm just having fun with my Sissy.
We are now opening a Village Peak. I believe this is series
47.
4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what they are. It's
We'll find out.
not the same as the last one, but we have another Village Peak here. There's 24 in here, so let's yeet it out.
Hold on. Hold on. And whoop, whoop.
Okay.
And
which series is it?
It is, we got series 5 and 6.
Ooh,
Okay.
Okay. So this is more of the Jeweled Princess, which we opened in our last Village Peak.
And 5 doesn't seem any special.
5 doesn't seem super special, but there are Toy Story aliens, so
My ears are very appropriate, so I
Okay.
hope we get some of those.
So, let's start opening them.
yep. Please hold.
Eat.
Oh, we hit the dog! Oh no, I would have rather hit you! Especially again!
It's she also gassed it in here.
The poor puppy. Poor puppy.
She missed! Yes!
They're crazy.
We are starting with series 5. I think this is Pascal.
I think this is. I got a kitty. I think this is. Oh, actually, no. I think it's a cow. I think this is Pua.
Pooh was not a cow. Pooh was a pig.
Oh, I clearly need to know my Disney better.
Yes. Pascal. Oh, yay! It is Pascal!
I got. Which one's this?
Billy.
Lucifer.
Got Lucifer?
Oh, is it Lucifer?
Yeah.
Yes.
A Lucifer from
And here's
Cinderella.
Pascal. He's a rare and he's rainbow. Did you figure it out? Did you figure it out? Can you guess? Just make one up. We're putting you on through the clock now.
Duke Kaboom.
Kaboom? Who's Kaboom?
Duke Kaboom from Toy
Duke
Story.
Kaboom! Oh!
Yeah.
3.
2, 1,
3.
go.
This is Marie.
Oh, it is Duke Kaboom.
This is not Marie! This is Clarabelle, I believe. Is this Clarabelle? Wait, she's not on here. I am confusion. Who are you?
Clarabelle.
Oh, there's Clarabelle. Okay, she's an ultra rare.
Okay, next one.
We are trying
Mickey Mouse.
Marie. I was right.
I was right too.
Oh, wait. Look, she's like slightly purple.
Ooh.
And Mickey is a common and Marie is a common.
Bride Cinderella.
I don't know.
It is indeed Bride Cinderella.
Bride Cinderella.
It's Anna.
Oh,
She's
you got
a common.
Elsa. You got Elsa. And Cinderella's a common too.
Yeah, we got Elsa the last one, so now we have Anna and Elsa.
Ooh, this is
a fairy.
Okay.
Daisy Duck.
Let's see. Open them up. Daisy.
No,
Duck.
no, it's a fairy. I got Flora.
This is Thumper, and he's fuzzy. He's special.
Flocked. She's a special edition.
He's
Okay, put them
fuzzy.
together.
Look, he's
flocked.
fuzzy.
Special edition.
He's fuzzy.
Oh, I actually like the fairies from
Yeah.
from Sleeping Beauty.
Mr. Smee.
I'm really bad at guessing, so I'm somebody.
I was wrong. Ooh. I am. No, wait. Is this Mr. Smee?
Turn it around.
Oh, this is Mr. Smee.
And I got an ultra rare Ursula.
Ooh,
Look, she's glittery.
Mr.
She's glittery.
Mr. Smee is rare.
She's so cute. Okay.
So this is what we've got so far. It's a great mix of characters.
Okay.
I love the
Okay.
the fairies.
Unfortunately, I think this is a repeat Queen of Hearts from the last one.
I think this is Eeyore.
Oh, Bob.
No, Ariel. Did we
What's
get?
wrong?
We got this one
I
in
was
the last
correct.
one
It
too.
is sadly a repeat.
Yes, Gregory. Congratulations.
You're getting both of these.
Yes, off with their heads and their voices.
Ouch.
Happy. Rapunzel. Alice! Oh, she's cute. Look at how cute she is.
It is Happy, who is a common.
Good job.
I have been guessing these pretty well, would you say
Yes.
for myself?
Okay, I got it.
What you guessing, Ab?
Hold on. I'm trying to figure out these particular.
Please hold for 1,200 years.
We have a couple minutes. Oh, okay. I got it. Are we recording?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna go with Piglet or Pligget or Piglet.
Pligget.
Pligget.
This is real.
You can have two from.
Oh my god, they're flocked! No, I got another fuzzy one. It's Rabbit.
And I got woo.
Oh, they're both fuzzy.
Rabbit.
Friends.
Yay, they're friends.
Yay.
I'm going with limited edition Mickey Mouse.
No Night, aka Snow White.
It is indeed limited edition Mickey Mouse.
It is indeed common Snow White.
It goes very well with my mini ears I got. Old school.
I don't know what school I am.
New. Old. Middle.
Crazy
elementary.
school. Crazy school.
Oh, this one is very textured.
Very colorful school.
This
Notice
is
her
very
hair.
textured. It's got a lot of hair.
This one has ears. Please be another Winnie the Pooh character.
This one, I'm so confused by the back texture.
Is this Pligget? It might be Pligget. I hope it's Pligget.
You do love Pliggets.
You love Pligget.
I am going... Oh, I'm going with...
Make a guess, Ab.
Hurry up.
She's slow, but
I'm
she's.
very particular.
She got limited
I'm
edition.
going with Captain Hook.
Okay.
Oh, that'd be a good one. Tick,
There's another
tock,
story there.
Tick tock, tick tock.
We'll
Let's
pause
see
in
if
a
it's him.
second. I was right.
Well, it is not.
It's
is
Pliggett.
Sisu.
Sisu.
She's an ultra rare.
Oh,
and
look at
Pligget is a
Sisu.
rare. Quick story time. Whenever I was 3, my dad told me in the middle of Disney World to walk up to Captain Hook and say TikTok. So I said it to him, and then he chased me, and I cried. That's the end of the story.
And she has hated Captain Hook since.
I have not hated him.
But you were
I'm just-
terrified.
I was terrified, and I did not like clocks after that.
And
I refused
Captain
to
Hook
learn
realized
to tell
he
time.
screwed up for scaring a 3-year-old Disney World.
Bad
It's all Dad's
daddy.
fault.
I am going with Rapunzel.
And I am going with Pan.
What are they gonna be?
I did get Pan.
I did get Rapunzel, and
And she's a
Rapunzel's special edition.
Let's see her again.
Ooh, because she has like a sparkly dress. It's like
Yes.
clear and sparkly. Ooh. Now let's show what we got in this one.
This is quite the nice collection.
Colleccione.
And my favorites over here. Look at the
I
three
love the
Pooh. Look at all those. Hence the pow on the back from previous ones.
Uh-huh.
So, what are your final comments, girls?
I like
Potato.
opening stuff and not worrying where to put it, and she gets to deal with it. I just have fun opening stuff.
I agree. It is fun opening. And what do you have to say?
Potato.